welcome to the video. Hopefully everybody's having a good day. Today's video is just a fun one. It's me riding up to the top of Kennesaw Mountain here in Georgia. And I took this on a Friday over the pandemic time. So the content's about 2 years old, and mostly I did this video to clean up my phone and get all this content out there, because it took about 25 minutes to ride up the mountain and about 5 minutes to come down the mountain, which was a lot of fun. But the scenery is amazing. If you get a chance to get out there, I definitely recommend it. And if you're ever in Georgia and you're looking for something interesting to do, if you're an outdoorsy person, boy, I definitely recommend Kennesaw Mountain Park. A lot of history there, a lot of wonderful scenery, and again, nature galore. So anyway, so without further ado, here's the video. Enjoy. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. It's a really great trail. Like I say, if you get a chance to do it, the one I took was from Marietta up to the base of Kennesaw. It's the mountain to river trail that they put in there. Very safe, very casual trail. There's only one crossover of a main road. That's Kennesaw Avenue, and you're crossing at a light, so it's very suburban ride. You know, lots of people around, so no worries there. And like I said, it was a lot of fun, so I definitely want to get back and do it again. This was my only time doing that trip. Anyway, like I said, it was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Hopefully everybody's having a good day. Be well, everybody.